been a great evolution in the respect of many of these companies are digitalizing their workflows and their processes and their enterprises. So that's all good in terms of progressively what's happened. I think COVID's been a catalyst for change to get digitalized. So that's been fantastic. Unfortunately, the downside has been it's created more vulnerabilities than ever in aspects of fraud, particularly push payment fraud and vendor fraud. Many businesses are suffering from that. And that has many consequences for businesses in terms of cash flow. With interest rates going up, cash flow is of a critical importance more so than before. So the elements around fraud and digitalization, it's competing forces against each other, one on the positive side and one on the downside, unfortunately.
The digital economy offers a massive opportunity for financial inclusion, almost an unprecedented opportunity for financial inclusion, because if you can access the internet, you can participate in the digital economy. It doesn't matter if you don't have the ability to reach a major city or attend a university. Just by virtue of the internet, the opportunities for inclusion for excluded people are incredible. What we've not kept up with, though, is access to verifiable identities for a lot of those people. So, we talk about this a lot, but 1 in 8 people in the world don't have an identity that can be verified digitally. Outside of that, many of the tools that are used to verify identities have some real inherent racial bias that really negatively affects people with different skin tones or different ethnicities. So as the digital economy offers up massive opportunities for growth and inclusion, there's still a lot of work to be done to make sure that's fair and equitable to everyone who needs it.
So I'd say at the point of payment initiation, I want to pay. I'm going to instruct to pay. It is at that point where the verification of the payee, having the certainty of who you're paying at that point is absolutely critical. So you know with great certainty that you're paying a legitimate business, a legitimate person, rather than a fraudster who has created a scam to intervene, to acquire money, your hard-earned money, business money, consumer money. That is a key aspect to preventing fraud. Not the only aspect, but absolutely goes a long way to really getting in front of the problem. And in terms of our sort of aspect to that, we've got products and services that achieve that, and really delighted to say we've launched an account verification product today, which covers over 22 markets across the globe to really help businesses in the B2B space and in the B2C space around preventing criminal activity and really getting in front of the problem.
It's another great question, Liz, because I think it's the other great tension is the need for safety and the need for privacy. Because none of us want our personally identifiable information out running rampant in the world, available for sale, available for misuse and abuse. But we all want a personalized, frictionless, fast onboarding experience. And frankly, in a lot of cases, those two are at odds with one another. So what we're seeing with electronic IDs, with other forms of digital identity, and one of the things that I'm particularly excited about as a consumer is the increased ability to have control over what information is shared, with whom, and for how long. Because today, if you think about it, when you onboard with a bank or a library or a new video streaming platform, you're providing them your identity information that in a lot of countries they can hold forever, that they can do other things with, they can use to build models, they can sell. So the idea of having a digital identity that's completely within a consumer's control, where they can limit how much information is shared, they can withdraw that consent and approval at any time, and the consumer is completely in control over their own PII, I think is a future that all of us can comfortably embrace.